Hey, what if I told you that you could send unlimited emails for free? No hidden costs, no trial ending in 14 days, no surprise credit card charges, just unlimited emails. Sounds too good to be true, right? Here's the reality. Most email marketing platforms lure you in with free trials, but the moment you start growing your list, the costs skyrocket. For beginners and small businesses, it feels like you're punished for success. Imagine paying hundreds every month just to send a simple newsletter. But what if there was another way? That's where System.io steps in. It's not just another email marketing tool, it's an all-in-one platform that lets you send unlimited emails on their forever free plan. Yes, you heard that right. Unlimited. Think about what that means. You can grow your list to thousands of subscribers, nurture them with daily emails, and even run full-blown campaigns without watching your bill climb higher each month. Most tools charge you per email or per subscriber. System.io doesn't, and that single difference can save you a fortune. Here's what makes it even more powerful. You don't just get email marketing. With System.io, you also get automation workflows, sales funnels, and even membership site features, all inside one dashboard. No more stitching together 5 different apps. No more paying for multiple subscriptions. So imagine this. You create a free System.io account today, upload your subscribers, write your first email, and click send. Whether you're sending 1 email or 10,000, the price stays the same, zero. And the best part? Your growth won't be held hostage by overpriced plans. Now, if you're curious to see exactly how to set this up, I've linked a step-by-step tutorial showing you how to use System.io for email marketing. You'll find it right here in the info card or in the description below. So here's the choice. Keep paying for tools that punish you for growing or start sending unlimited emails for free. Click the link, watch the tutorial, and unlock the power of System.io today. Because the faster you connect with your audience, the faster your business grows.